Hello friends, welcome back. So in the last lecture, I told you about the different type of vouchers that are available in Tally to record the day-to-day transactions. So today we'll be recording those activities, those transactions in Tally Prime. So I had opened the same company Rahul Gupta and Sons where we had prepared some of the ledgers and understood some of the basic things related to our accounting. So moving towards the basic transactions that we had understood in our manual accounting as well related to Rahul Gupta and Sons and the soda drinks company. So here today we'll record those transactions that we had posted manually now in the tally. Next transaction we have is received check from Kingsway Hotel. Now we have received a check from Kingsway Hotel that we had sold some goods to them on credit. Now we are receiving that check. So what amount of check we are receiving? 4,000 rupees. So this check will go where? This check will go in our bank account. So what will going to happen? First of all, we have to open a bank account, a current account of a company in ICICI Bank. When we create a bank account ledger, then we'll be able to post this entry. Otherwise, we'll not able to post this type of entries in our business accounting in Tally. So for that purpose, our company had opened an account in the bank by depositing cash and 10,000 rupees was deposited in ICICI bank account. So the same way we had done earlier, we'll prepare two ledgers, cash box of company and ICICI bank account, and we'll prepare the entry. So now, if you remember about the last lecture, I told you about the contra entries. So these type of entries where cash and bank is involved in debit and credit side, then these type of entries will go under contra vouchers. So I'm pressing here F4. And what will gonna happen? What will be credited? Our cash box of company will be credited with how much amount? 10,000 amount, and the debited will be the ICICI bank account, but we don't have that account. Create that with all C ICICI bank account, and this will go under your bank accounts. Provide here the details and simply accept the screen. Is this clear? Now you can provide here the denominations as well and just accept the screen. Is this clear? Easy. I'll show you, I'll provide you the details about each and every detail that are coming through preparing through the your transactions or the vouchers. I'll give you the details of each and every option, but in the initial phase I'm just showing you the basic entry, how you can post those entries. See, other details are those basic details related to your that particular activity or particular transaction that you can read it and fill it by your own as well. But I'll myself tell you all the details in detail in further lecture one by one as we'll move forward. For now, we just need to learn about the simple entry, how we can post it in Tally. So moving further, now we have, after opening the account, we have deposited the check in bank received from Kingsway Hotel. So what we gonna do? We gonna post this entry in our Tally. So for that, what you need to do, you need to, now what's this? Is this contra? No. Is this payment? No. Is this receipt? Obviously, yes, this is a receipt. So press F6 over here. Now, I told you in this beginning of this lecture that I will tell you two modes under which you can post your receipts and payments entry. So for that, I explained you about the double entry mode. Now it's time to learn about the single entry mode as well. See here on the right hand side, in this bar, you can see change mode option. See, for change mode, first of all, what will be the shortcut key? Control H. If I press Control H here, you can see the double entry and single entry. Double entry we had done. Now I'm changing towards the single entry, and you can see a new furnished screen in front of you where you are able to see the account and the particulars the same way we had done in sale and purchase. And what you want to do here is you just simply have to present here the account where you are receiving the cash or from where you are paying the cash, and in particulars you have to post from where you are receiving or to whom you are making the payment. This is simple. I'll show you in this what you're gonna do where the cash is receiving. See, the cash is receiving in your bank account. So here you will select your obviously bank because you are not receiving the cash. You are receiving check in that will be deposited in your bank. So you will select bank account in the account, and in particulars you have to tell from where you are receiving that particular amount. So you are receiving from Kingsway Hotel, you will post your Kingsway and simply enter the amount. And here you can present the details like check you have received for rupees 4,000, instrument number, that is your check number you can give, instrument date, the date of that particular check. Now the bank name, which was the bank? Can you tell me which was the bank? That was HDFC Bank. Now you can specify the bank name over here, HDFC Bank. Enter received from Kingsway Hotel. If you want to give some of the remarks, you can give here and simply press enter and accept. This is how you can post your entry in single entry mode as well for receipts and payments. Easy. I know you are enjoying the lecture and you felt that this way is the easiest way to post any kind of transactions because you need not to think about credit or debit. I can understand, but it's okay. You must be handy over both the methods, both the modes, double entry mode as well as single entry mode.